Traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday morning, September 8th, here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, whatever the yields are going to be in corn and beans here in the weeks ahead, there's going to be ample grain around. It's middle of September. It's not the best time for corn and soybeans seasonally to trade higher, and yet the charts seem to want to do that. So this is something that we're going to look at here in 1 minute time. Harvest time, all this grain is around, and this is the reason the Chicago Board of Trade was created in the 1850s, so the U.S. farmer could sell their grain at any time. So just a brilliant, good for capitalism, good for the U.S. farmer. And our first chart today of corn, you can see we're building a base here. We're trading a little bit higher. The managed funds are short, so we'll see where we go with this. There is a September crop report next week. I'd caution everybody, it's still a little bit early. The October crop report, we're really going to good feel on yields. And nonetheless, I think the million-dollar question is, what if the demand is better than anybody's talking about? And we'll start with exports and export sales this morning on new crop corn and new crop soybeans. Very stout, very good. Let's see if this can continue. This is the key going forward. The US dollar is lower here. This is good for our exports, so it's a good story, and you can believe we're going to keep talking about it. Okay, the soybean market. Good export sales in soybeans, USDA this morning. That's important. You can see our chart on soybeans. We gapped higher earlier this week. Markets are not supposed to do that here in the middle of September. I don't know if it means anything or not, but my work, when we don't fill these gaps here, this becomes bullish in the short term. So we'll kind of see how this all plays out. The soybean market, the wheat market is our next chart here. I don't know, you can see we're in pretty good support. There's a lot of wheat in the world. Like I'd mentioned last week, I think the key to the wheat market is prices of Russian wheat, and they seem to be stabilizing this week. So we'll kind of see if wheat is bottoming too. Keep in mind, wheat and corn are trading cousins, and if corn can go up, I think wheat can go up too. So we'll keep an eye on all of that. Other than that, everybody have an excellent weekend. Thank you.